In front of me is HonorPad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access display and brightness. Then scroll down again and tap on fonts. Following that, click on one of those options: paid, latest or free. You can also click on the search bar at the top right corner and type in wherever you want to. After picking a perfect style, click on it, hit download at the bottom and select apply. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default style, select me next to free, click on default and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!